This is an eye shading tutorial, how I shade eyes. Because since I have these available right now, so why the hell not? Totally not doing this at 3 a.m. where I'm at right now. Again, like what I said for my hair shading tutorial video, don't just copy and all that. This is just to help people who are finding their styles and stuff like that. Or trying out other people's shading styles for different, yeah. Anyway, let's just start this, yeah. Anyways, this is for something I'm doing, a video I'm making. Anyway, how I do it is usually I just take another layer. I usually separate the pupils and this black thing. Okay, then I'll add another layer, clip it on. Then depending on what color I want to make the pupil be, I will change it. And this is Peridot, doesn't belong to me. And from the Wikipedia, we know that Peridot's eye color is actually dark green. So I'll take that and then I'll do this. And then I'm gonna make it 25%. You can kind of tell the difference, see? And then I'll just merge the layers together. Take another layer, clip it on again. And then I'm going to use the airbrush Peridot 40%. You can use any percentage lah. I prefer the 40% one. And then I'm gonna do this until I'm satisfied. Okay, repeat it on the other side. Yeah, this part I kind of picked it up from other people, but at the same time, I know most people will usually just only do this part, like do like that. I picked that up, then I did this instead, and then I liked it more. So yeah, you can see the difference. Yeah, you can merge it down or leave it not merged down, whichever you like. And then, of course, well, we color the pupils in. Okay, use this brush again, the same color, go here, color burn, and then do this. Okay, this is for blend eye. I'll do my normal eyes shading later. Anyway, make it dark but not too dark, like that. Okay, and then add another layer, clip it on, again, use add, again the same brush, repeat but at the bottom this time. Okay, this is for blend eye. I'll do the other eye later. The whole thing's still white, so if your canvas is all white, I suggest using black, so when you're done you can just invert the layer color like that. Yeah, wait, what was this ones? Okay, you're supposed to just use white and then use a shade of gray that's not too dark, and then again airbrush, do that. Oh crap, I think that's right. And then do what I'm doing. If you want to, you know what, let's just there. Do that as many times as you want until you're satisfied. Combine them together. You don't have to change it back. It's a habit of mine. You don't have to change the brush back before you erase out the extra part. It's just a habit of mine. Okay. then we're done here with these eyes. We're done with these eyes. Okay, moving on to these eyes. Oh crap. Okay, the first few steps are the same. Just do that. I'm gonna speed through, but not actually do this in the speed because I'm too lazy to edit. Sorry. I mean, you can skip if you want to until you find the part where I actually do the new stuff. Okay, new stuff part. So after you are done with this step, you just add another layer, clip it on, change the color burn again, put it all the way below these two, change to deep pen hard 2.0, and then do this. And then the pupil can be whatever you want it to be. Can be a normal circle, can be a star, can be a heart, up to you. But I'm gonna follow Peridot's gemstone and do this for the pupil. And then we're gonna repeat over here. Okay, and then now we're going to make this 50%. And then now here's the part. We go back to the very top, but that new layer, clip it on, change back to whatever you use for those things. Take a complete black, and then do this. I picked this up from Atomic. Yeah, I used to read Adventure Atomics, if you know about it. And then I noticed the eye shading, they would do this. And then this thing. That was my style for a while before I found out about digital art and all that. And then I just kind of stopped doing that. And I decided to bring it back to my art style a few weeks, a month ago. Okay, now that you're done with that, unclip the new one, clip onto that. That's the same color as everything else. Do this. Change it to 25% opacity. Clip it on, clip it back on, and then change this to 50%. You can also change it to 25% if you want, whichever one that looks more natural to you. Okay, then this part you want to change to white, and then you just copy what the pupil is. Do that. And then the here part. And then you repeat for here. Or you can always just duplicate the layer, move it over here. Yeah, that's also easier. It's just there we go. Okay, now that we're done with that, wait. First you join those two layers together. If you duplicate it and not just redraw it, you duplicate the layer, make it add, put it below the original, take blur, make sure the blur isn't too much and it's somewhere on here, and then just do this. Softly tap across the edges. to make that glowing effect. Yeah, this was all self-discovered by pure accident when I was messing around with stuff. You can kind of tell the difference. See, without, with, without, with. Okay. I think it's a meeting because I haven't seen anyone else do it before. But please don't just steal my style, please. This is a complete original. From how I shape my eyes is completely original. I just see what I like from a topic and then this was the only part that was similar to other people. But yeah, feel free to use some of my stuff to improvise and stuff into your own style if you want to. And I think that should be pretty much it. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. It probably wasn't. Anyway, have a nice day, /night, /evening, /afternoon, wherever you're at. And I swear I am not dead. I'm trying to not be dead. Happy, merry, early Christmas to everyone out there. If you don't celebrate it, then happy holidays. And I'll see you in the next video or something. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Hope it helped. Wait, I forgot one last thing. If this part shows out, you erase it away. And yeah, that's it. Hope you have a nice day or night or afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you're at. And that's it. Alright. This was shorter than the hair one because yeah, eyes are actually kind of easy and fun for me to do, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Bye.